Welcome to our exploration of gut health and the crucial role of microbiomes in our overall well-being. Did you know that trillions of bacteria in our gut can significantly impact everything from digestion to mood? In this video, we'll uncover how everyday habits and products can harm these vital microorganisms. Get ready to discover surprising culprits and learn about healthier alternatives that can help you restore your microbiome. Stay tuned as we dive into this fascinating topic. Let's dive right in. Our microbiome refers to the diverse community of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, that reside in our bodies, primarily in the gut. A balanced microbiome plays a vital role in digestion, helping break down food and absorb nutrients, and supporting our immune system. When our microbiome is disrupted, it can lead to various health issues. Lifestyle choices such as diet, stress, and antibiotic use can significantly impact microbiome health, making it essential to nurture this ecosystem for overall well-being. Many popular mouthwashes, such as Listerine, contain powerful germ-killing ingredients like alcohol and chlorhexidine. While they may provide a fresh feeling, these mouthwashes can disrupt the delicate balance of both oral and gut microbiomes. This disruption can lead to issues like bad breath and digestive problems. Instead of using mouthwash with harsh chemicals, consider alternatives like natural mouthwashes made from essential oils or practices like oil pulling, which can help maintain a healthy microbiome without negative effects. I use a product called Boca, both toothpaste and chewable mouthwash tablets, designed to promote the healthy microbiome in our mouth. Certain processed foods, particularly those high in sugar and additives, like sugary cereals and snacks, can wreak havoc on gut health. These foods disrupt the microbial balance, leading to inflammation and a decline in beneficial bacteria. Over time, this imbalance can contribute to digestive issues and other health problems. To support a healthy microbiome, focus on eating whole foods, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, and fermented products like unflavored yogurt and kimchi. For the best gut health, choose plain unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures listed on the label, as this indicates the beneficial bacteria are still alive. Greek yogurt and kefir are also considered excellent options due to their high probiotic content. Junk foods, such as fast food and sugary snacks, are not just unhealthy choices. They can also severely damage our microbiome. These foods often lead to obesity and metabolic issues, which can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. High levels of unhealthy fats and sugars promote the growth of harmful microbes while suppressing beneficial ones. To support gut health, consider healthier snack alternatives like nuts, which provide healthy fats, and yogurt rich in probiotics to help restore microbial balance. Antibiotics are powerful medications designed to eliminate harmful bacteria, but they often kill beneficial bacteria in the process. This disruption can lead to an imbalance in the microbiome, resulting in digestive issues and increased susceptibility to infections. Long-term antibiotic use can further compromise gut health, making it essential to restore balance afterward. To support recovery, consider incorporating probiotics during and after antibiotic treatment, as they can help replenish beneficial bacteria and promote a healthier microbiome overall. Stress has a profound impact on gut health, often leading to an imbalance in the microbiome. When we experience stress, it can trigger digestive issues such as bloating, diarrhea, or constipation, and promote inflammation in the gut. This imbalance can further exacerbate feelings of anxiety and stress, creating a vicious cycle. To combat these effects, consider incorporating stress-reducing practices into your routine, such as mindfulness, meditation, and regular exercise, which can help restore balance and improve overall gut health. 2 optional apps that do have a fee are Headspace and Calm, to assist you in learning how to relax, meditate, and use breathing exercises to calm yourself. Several lifestyle factors can significantly damage gut health, including lack of sleep and sedentary behavior. Insufficient sleep disrupts the body's natural rhythms, negatively affecting microbiome diversity, while a sedentary lifestyle can lead to reduced microbial diversity and increased inflammation. These changes can contribute to various health issues, including obesity and metabolic disorders. To support a healthy microbiome, prioritize getting enough sleep and incorporate regular physical activity into your daily routine, fostering a balanced and thriving gut environment. Restoring and maintaining a healthy microbiome is essential for overall well-being. Start by incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet. Probiotics can be found in fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut, while prebiotics are abundant in fiber-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Aim for a diverse diet to support a variety of beneficial bacteria. Additionally, staying hydrated and engaging in regular physical activity can further enhance gut health, promoting a balanced microbiome and improving your overall quality of life. There is a particular microbiome strain called Lactobacillus reuteri that Dr. William Davis discovered many of us are missing. It is missing in 95% of adults living in modern society. Because Lactobacillus reuteri is sensitive to antibiotics, most of us had this helpful microbiome destroyed after a few rounds of antibiotics. Please see the links in the video description below to find out how you can reestablish this important microbiome. Lactobacillus reuteri is responsible for many positive health benefits that you can realize once you reestablish it in your gut. In summary, we have explored how certain mouthwashes, processed foods, and unhealthy lifestyle choices can harm our microbiome, leading to various health issues. Maintaining a healthy microbiome is crucial for digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. By making informed choices such as opting for natural products and a balanced diet, you can support your gut health. Here is to your improved gut health and well-being. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone you know that needs to know more about how to improve their gut health. Also, please leave a comment below and let us know what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.